Alright, it's about 8:30 in the morning. We're at Justin's shop changing tires. We're gonna head out to TX2K in a minute, do a little tuning on the way, get things dialed in. Justin's putting some sticky boys on his truck. And then I actually had a subscriber, thanks again Mike, offer to let me use his drag pack for my truck. So in case we do find anything fun to do. And this is his beautiful SS. This thing is so clean. It's got a cam 6.0 with an exhaust. He's letting me use his race stars. Even if we don't catch any streets, just to see what the truck looks like with those wheels, because I've thought about getting them before. I'm excited about that. Thanks again though, Mike, for real. Are you sure you want to let me use those tires?
Oh yeah, man, burn them down.
All right, it's on camera now. No going back now.
Is it gonna fit?
It'll fit. Oh yeah. He's got room over here.
You can go that way here. Okay, straighten it up. Alright, bring it around now.
He just had to buy a crew cab.
Yeah. That's fucking yeah. Justin's small ass to be able to get out of there. Heavy equipment's on the lift, and then he'll get you real close to the lift post, and I'm like, damn it, Justin, my fat ass ain't getting out of this truck right here. Please put that on.
I'm gonna open it with that. Alright, I think it's about time to hit the road. Damn, dude. That sounds good. Yeah, dude. That thing sounds fucking nice.
Fuel trims look really good here on long term, short term. You know, the little bit of data we have right here for just cruising, but they all look good. Fine tune the wide open throttle because it's still pig rich at the bottom, and then
leans out up top.
Leans out up top. So we'll play with that a little bit and get it better.
What's up guys, Chris here. So since we got stuck hauling the trailer, we got sent all the way to the back of the parking lot. And they are all the way up there with the trucks. This fucking sucks. That's still a badass setup though. Well, Josh, what do you think?
I think I'm fucking bummed. On the way over here, we were cruising great. We got the VE table all dialed in, and then we started to tune the power enrichment. And around like 45 to 5,000 RPM, it started going lean. So we kept throwing fuel at it, throwing fuel at it, throwing fuel at it. And finally, we were like, nothing's fucking working. So we're just gonna start dumping like 30% at it just to see if it makes any changes. And it didn't. So basically, what's happening is the fuel pump's at max capacity and the injectors are just hanging open and it's not making a difference. So we're out of fuel pump, which sucks because we're still in the low boost pulley. It's got a 340 pump in it, which I thought was going to be enough, but clearly not. So I'm going to have to, basically I'm going to sit out of the reindeer games this time. That fucking sucks because otherwise we'd have to make it shift at like 4,500 RPM and that's not going to be fun. So I'm really fucking bummed, but at least we got the tune there. All that's left is just replace the fuel pump and then I can dial in the power enrichment and then we'll be good. But it sucks to make this trip all the way here and then not have the fuel to fuck around. That sucks, but I gotta hit up a bathroom. I'm about to pee my pants.
My mind was...
So,
on that side, so you can use the concrete to tear it up.
yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. All right, so it really fucking sucks that we can't like really do anything with the truck while we're down here because we went fucking like 1,300 miles at this point, but it is what it is. We're gonna try and make the best of it. We still want to throw the other wheels on the truck just to see what it looks like because I've been thinking about getting those anyway, and it's not often you get the opportunity to test fit your wheels before you actually buy them, you know what I mean?
They're frozen.
One Skittle. I'm not getting this one.
Ooh, that looks good.
Those are 17.7s in the front, 17 9.5s in the back. It's got to make the video. Go back and comment on the video.
And them's my wheels.
I'll be like, it's looking good.
Looking good.
I'm like maximum hard right now.
Dude, it look just the one wheel looks so good.
I'm just gonna look right there.
Yeah, wait till you get them both on the step back. What you ought to do is just turn your back, walk away, close your eyes, and turn around and be like, oh man.
Well, Josh, what do you think so far?
I'm so fucking wet.
There you go. Oh yeah.
Goddamn, dude, that looks good.
Fuck a fuel pump, dude.
Fuck the fuel pump, we're buying rims.
Yeah. It might not run fast, but it'll look nice. So we were just gonna do them on the other side just to see how they look, and then we were talking about it and we didn't come all the way to Houston to TX2K to sit on the benches, so we're gonna fuck around a little bit, try and find a spot to at least do some launches. And at this point, if it breaks something, it breaks something. It's an LS, we can find another one for pretty cheap. And we got drag slicks. I ain't never launched on slicks before.
Yeah, it'll be a good test.
Well, no, that's not true. I launched, Jack Black had slicks on it at the track, but it also had like 180 horsepower.
Although, I have had my legs ran over by a car and it's actually not that painful.
It's not that painful. I would not want to experience it. Damn, dude. we're loading the truck up and gonna start heading back. We tested a few launches, try and get that cleared up, and fucking rocket up to 3,000 RPM, and then it'd stumble for a little bit, and then it'd clear up. And we made a few hits to get some data, and the injector data is completely fucked up. So basically all the tuning we did the past couple days it's off, but we had fun while we're down here. Definitely had fun. It was sweet seeing everything. Can't wait to come back probably next year sometime. Hopefully get to actually run, because we made that one race against Justin and the thing was just falling on its dick. So oh well, it is what it is. Now we know the direction we need to go. Fuel pump, better regulator. I don't know, I'm frustrated. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Sorry that the last few videos have been kind of all over the place, but thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Battery's about to die, so later guys.